Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve or fix if the Facebook app is not working or opening on your Android smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button. And then you want to go and select the apps tile on this page. Go down to where it says all apps and you want to select that and then scroll down again until you get to the Facebook app listed here. Select it and then select where it says storage and cache. Select the clear cache icon in here and then close out of here and relaunch the app. If you're still having a problem, you can come in here and select clear storage as well and then proceed to relaunch the Facebook app, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.